Heather, I love the view off of this penthouse condo.
I'm just sitting here dreaming because this is perfect. We've got this 1-bedroom unit here at Boardwalk. It's beautiful.
Let's go take a look.
Okay.
I love the Gulf views from the kitchen and the living room in this little condo.
I love this bedroom. This is a perfect getaway. And if you need a little extra space for the kiddos, you got it. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got this listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.